This is LionWelder, the first all-in-one rechargeable welding power station. The battery-powered welder enables easy transportation to job sites without reliance on grid power. I often go out for emergency welding, dragging power cables, which is very inconvenient. The high-powered fuel welding machine is deafening during repairs. The ACO-Power LionWelder Mini and Light, the world's greatest invention. The battery power eliminates time-consuming setup and locations restrictions, no heavy leads, no fuel, and no lengthy setup. Outdoor power is hard to find, but the LionWelder Mini built-in battery is ready to use at any time. The LionWelder Mini Smart Adjustment function ensures optimal performance. The built-in battery can always deliver pure, perfectly calibrated electricity. It powers up to 7.5 hours of outdoor work. It is easy to carry to job sites, perfect for mobile welding, especially in remote or off-grid locations. Now you can go welding anywhere, from workshop to worksite. LionWelder gives users unprecedented freedom of movement in MMA and TIG welding. LionWelder welds and cuts rusted or damaged parts fume-free, protecting your health. No more traditional welder inverters. LionWelder uses our advanced DC to DC welding circuit to get your job done. The high-performance MCU collects the voltage and current in real time. The high-frequency switch MOSFET controls the stable welding current output, resulting in the best welding performance. VRD anti-shock and intelligent power-off ensure safe operation. It can be recharged with solar panels when the battery runs out. The LED display shows power levels, making it readable and easy to monitor. It can be recharged with solar panels if the battery runs out. No need to charge at home, more project-focused. On long trips, my car needs emergency repairs. A damaged undercarriage plate requires immediate attention. LionWelder uses MMA welding to quickly repair metal supports. It's noise-free and fume-free, perfect for high-altitude work and welding in public spaces. Then, I can continue enjoying my journey. After your job is done, bring LionWelder back to recharge it with AC power for next day. The second model, LionWelder Lite 4041, is all-in-one machine to support welding and AC power supply at the same time. LionWelder Lite has a built-in 4100 dot-watt battery unit and $4,000 industrial inverter. The $4,000 rated power with $12,000 peak output can easily power heavy-duty drills and saws with stable output. LionWelder Lite is the perfect single machine to replace gas generator and inverter welder, meeting the requirement of welding and power supply on the job site. ACO-Power offers two welders, LionWelder Mini and Light. Off-grid and built-in batteries are the latest for outdoor welding. LionWelder, the cordless battery-powered welder with no limitation.